Hey there, metal lovers and DIY champions. Are you looking for a powerful yet affordable plasma cutter that delivers professional-grade precision right in your garage? Then stick around, because today we're diving deep into three of the most talked about plasma cutters on Amazon: the HEROCUT Cut 35i 35 amp plasma cutter, the BestArc 35 amp plasma cutter, and the BestArc 45 amp dual voltage plasma cutter. Whether you're slicing through stainless steel, aluminum, or mild steel, these machines promise clean, smooth, and fast cuts, all without breaking your budget. Let's find out which one gives you the best cut for your buck. Keycap 1 HEROCUT Plasma Cutter Cut 35i, 35 amps 110V, approximate 150 words. First up, the HEROCUT Cut 35i Plasma Cutter, built for beginners and home DIYers. This 35 amp, 110V machine features high-frequency IGBT inverter technology, a digital screen display, and 2T/4T trigger modes, perfect for precise control. The post-flow cooling system keeps your torch running cooler and lasting longer. It can slice up to 10 mm thick metal, making it great for small fabrication, auto repair, or garage art projects. Pros: lightweight, easy to use, and consistent performance for thin to medium materials. Cons: single voltage only, 110V, so not ideal for industrial thickness cuts. Customer review: users say it's quiet, compact, and perfect for learning plasma cutting at home. If you're new to metal cutting, this is your budget-friendly starting point. Check it on Amazon. Keycap 2 BestArc 35 amps plasma cutter 110V, approximate 150 words. Next, we have the BestArc 35 amp plasma cutter, a solid contender for hobbyists and small workshops. This model uses advanced IGBT inverter technology for efficient energy conversion and features 2T/4T modes and a post-flow cooling system just like the pros use. It's rated for a 1/4 inch clean cut and up to 1/2 inch max thickness. Pros: smooth arc start, precise cuts, and simple controls with a digital interface. Cons: lacks dual voltage, designed mainly for 110V setups. Customer review: cut through my 1/4 inch plate steel like butter. Best cutter under $200. If you're a DIY fabricator or automotive enthusiast, this one gets the job done without the noise or hassle. Check it out on Amazon. Keycap 3 BestArc 45 amps dual voltage plasma cutter, approximate 150 words. Finally, let's talk about the powerhouse, the BestArc 45 amp dual voltage plasma cutter. This upgraded model works on both 110V and 220V, so you can tackle everything from sheet metal to 1/2 inch steel plates. It boasts a large LED digital display, 2T/4T trigger, and post-flow cooling, giving you both precision and endurance. Pros: dual voltage, cleaner cuts, faster performance, and excellent build quality. Cons: slightly heavier than the 35 amp models. Customer review: I switched from a $700 brand name cutter. This BestArc 45A performs just as well for half the price. Perfect for workshops, farms, and fabrication enthusiasts who want flexibility and power in one portable unit. View it now on Amazon. OUTRO, approximate 50 words. So, whether you're fixing car panels, crafting metal art, or building your dream workshop, these HEROCUT and BestArc plasma cutters are your gateway to clean, fast, and powerful cuts. Links are in the description below. Go check them out and grab your perfect plasma cutter today. Would you like me to make a voice-ready version next, with natural pauses and pacing marks for YouTube voiceover? It'll sound like a professional product review script for your affiliate video.